Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your online life easier. Today, we're diving into how to find saved posts on LinkedIn in 2025. If you're like me, you save posts for later, maybe a job opportunity, an insightful article, or networking tips, and then forget where they are. Don't worry, this quick guide will have you accessing them in no time. It's super straightforward, and by the end, you'll be a LinkedIn pro. First, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account on the website or mobile app. Once you're in, head to the top of the page where you'll see your profile picture or icon. Click on that to open the drop-down menu. From there, look for View Profile and select it. This takes you to your personal profile page. Now, on your profile, scroll down until you see the section labeled Activity or Posts and Activity. In 2025, LinkedIn has made it even more user-friendly, so right below that, you should spot a tab or link for Saved. Click on it, and voila! You'll see a list of all the posts you've saved. If you're using the mobile app, it's just as simple. Tap on the You tab at the bottom, then select Saved from the options. But what if you can't find it? LinkedIn's interface might vary slightly based on updates, so if Saved isn't immediately visible, try using the search bar at the top of the page. Type in Saved Posts or simply Saved, and it should pull up the right section. Pro tip: organize your saved posts by categories like Jobs or Articles to keep things tidy. This feature is enhanced in 2025 for better efficiency. Once you're in your saved posts, you can like, comment, share, or even unsave items as needed. It's a great way to revisit content that inspired you. If you're new to LinkedIn or just want more tips, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. There you have it. Finding saved posts on LinkedIn is quick and painless. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. What's your favorite LinkedIn hack? Let's chat in the comments. See you in the next video.